Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, how are you? SHIB bulls to target 085. After a positive bullish trend, a continued bullish trend for SHIB could breach the 850 resistance level. SHIB price has risen by 1.30% over the past 24 hours. Shiba family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth Shiba, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. Bear's strength could reverse SHIB trend to below 080. Shiba Inu buyers have been in charge since the start of the day, erasing the impact of the downward trend that had driven prices to support at 793. The bulls were able to raise the price of SHIB to 801, a 1.30% increase at the time of writing, despite resistance at the day's intraday high of 0820. The capitalization increased due to the favorable control by 1.30% to $4.3 billion. Whereas the amount has increased by 53.75% to $153 million. This drop in volume can be a sign that it's time to sell MKR and make a profit. Shiba Inu's journey in 2022. Great expectations. The mega popular canine crypto Shiba Inu was one of the most noticeable players in the crypto sphere in 2022. SHIB counted a steadily growing total wallet number every day in 2022, even amid an intense bear market. Furthermore, the SHIB army, which is the community behind the Mimimi coin, grew stronger every day, bit by bit. The self-proclaimed Dogecoin killer managed to catch up with the top dog meme coin in Twitter followers, even though SHIB is 7 years younger than Doge. 5 top yearly moments worth reminiscing ultimately helped SHIB take a step closer to the moon. 1. Shiba Eternity collectible card game. October 6, 2022, was a big day for the SHIB community, as Shiba Eternity was finally launched on mobile devices. The international download day for Shiba Eternity took over Twitter for a while. Moreover, the mobile card game topped trademark card games like Uno and Yu-Gi-Oh! The card game was in development in partnership with PlaySide Studios for over 2 years. A big part of the SHIB army is waiting for the blockchain version of Shiba Eternity to drop, as it will also include the first ever Shiboshi NFTs. 2. John Richmond's Legends Live Forever. In February, the super popular canine cryptocurrency became the first altcoin to have an official clothing line. John Richmond, the English-Italian fashion designer, started working on the apparel brand soon after the announcement. As a result, the forthcoming SHIB x Richmond, Legends Live Forever, clothing line was featured in this year's Milano Fashion Week, as well as Shanghai Fashion Week and SHIB Metaverse. 3. SHIB. The Metaverse introduction this year was groundbreaking for SHIB, as the developers behind the 2-year-old meme coin introduced SHIB, the Metaverse. The memecoin's Web3 project marks the beginning of a transitional period for SHIB, as the ERC20 token is set to become a self-sufficient ecosystem, similar to arch-nemesis Dogecoin 4, Bone Shiba Swap. As the community is waiting for Shibarium, the Layer 2 upgrade, the gas fee token Bone Shiba Swap received substantial hype. According to Shiba Inu's roadmap, the gas fee token will be mandatory across all of SHIB projects, including lands in SHIB, the metaverse and every transaction on the upgraded blockchain. As the SHIB army actively votes for listing Bone, the biggest crypto platforms will likely eventually host all 3 tokens from Shiba Inu's ecosystem. 5. Tasty treats for SHIB army. Finally, Shiba Inu scored a few quite significant partnerships with food-related companies. For instance, both DoorDash and Uber Eats US now accept SHIB for payments. Besides, the SHIB army now officially has its own restaurant chain in Wellies. The trademark Juicy Burger by Wellies is only available in Italy, but that's not the end of the story. The Australian brigade of the SHIB army just opened the Shiba Wings restaurant near Gold Coast Beach. At the same time, the Shiba Liquor Shop in Nevada, Texas is set to open doors to customers as soon as early January 2023. Shiba Inu's Bone shows interesting price action amid SHIB falling. Despite the year-end fall in cryptocurrency prices, some cryptocurrencies still manage to show a positive price trend. One such example is a token from the Shiba Inu ecosystem, and most interestingly, it is not SHIB, but Bone. Thus, the price of the token with the dog bone on its logo continues to test a key resistance zone around $0.847. However, new hints emerged online from lead developer Shiba Inu that something is due to happen very soon. Clearly, as on previous occasions, such speculation once again cheered up BONE against the backdrop of a market-wide decline. BONE is now trading at $0.812, up 6% in the final month of the year. However, the monthly candles closing below the identified key resistance zone creates the risk of BONE price pulling lower. With the poor network activity and the general drop of the industry, one of the main mechanisms that kept Shiba afloat was no longer working as effectively as it used to. Decreasing burn ratio. One of the main drivers of the meme-powered network has always been the enormous burning volume that led to almost a 50% decrease of the circulating supply of the asset. Such a tendency prevailed on the market for quite a long time, forming a distinctive tendency: a high burn rate and more support for the price of the asset. As time went by, the burn rate of the cryptocurrency decreased, and the aforementioned rule lost its relevance as the insignificance of burning activities made Shiba Inu less attractive in the eyes of speculative traders. At press time, Shiba Inu is changing hands at 008. Partially reversing a 4.21% slide from Wednesday, Doge ended the day at $0.0710. Notably, Doge visited sub-$0.0700 for the second time since October 26. After a range-bound morning, Doge fell to a late low of $0.0692 before making a move. Steering clear of the first major support level at $0.0685, Doge rallied to a late high of $0.0715. Coming up short of the first major resistance level, R1, at $0.0733, Doge eased back to end the day at $0.0710. Shiba Inu coin rallied by 3.41% on Thursday. Reversing a 3.18% loss from Wednesday, SHIB ended the day at 819. Despite the bullish session, SHIB revisited to sub-800. A bearish morning saw SHIB fall to a morning low of 788. Steering clear of the first major support level, S1, at 774, SHIB rallied to a mid-afternoon high of 828. SHIB broke through the first major resistance level, R1, at 814 to end the day at 819. SHIB network news and the Nasdaq index deliver bullish sessions. There were no Twitter updates to support a Doge recovery from 4 consecutive days in the red. However, U.S. economic indicators in the Nasdaq index supported the broader crypto market. On Thursday, the Nasdaq index rallied by 2.59%. A rise in U.S. jobless claims from 216K to 225K drove demand for riskier assets. However, the upside was limited as investors reacted to the chatter of Dogecoin shifting to a proof-of-stake protocol. Michi Lumen looked to dispel the rumors, saying, "More info for ya." Influencers, even if they have millions of views and followers, even if they speak with authority, do not actually have the inside scoop on what's going on with Dogecoin. Just because one says a validation method is changing, doesn't mean it is. Lumen is an engineer for the Dogecoin Foundation. In a series of tweets, Lumen added, "No, there is not a plan to move Dogecoin to polonium-2 sulfide. There is a plan to give, to the community, for their overview, a proposal." Many bristle at even this, and say it should not even be discussed. Together with unification, is finalizing the creation of Shibarium Layer 2 protocol. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.